Welcome to 420 Park Avenue in gorgeous Union Beach, New Jersey. I'm Carly York with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house recap. This welcoming home is perfect for entertaining. It has a generous sized dining room that flows nicely into a sunken living room featuring a cozy fireplace. This light and bright modern kitchen features a breakfast nook as well as beautiful sliding doors out to the back deck for morning coffee or that big barbecue in the backyard. 420 Park Avenue features a great home office, which is perfect for work from home or just relaxing on a Saturday afternoon with a good book. This large and inviting living room has plenty of space for the whole family and all your friends. You will love entertaining at 420 Park Avenue. Just off the living room on the first floor is the generous-sized primary bedroom with a huge walk-in closet adjacent to the room. The upstairs features 3 generous-sized bedrooms with lots of closet space for storage. All 3 of the generous-sized bedrooms flow from one central hallway, allowing for comfort and privacy for everyone in the home. Outside, there's a fully enclosed 3-season room to enjoy the great outdoors in your huge, fully fenced-in backyard with a beautiful back deck for entertaining and enjoyment. The town of Union Beach is situated on a bayshore beach with beautiful views of the New York City skyline and fun recreational activities. Thank you so much for joining me on this open house tour of 420 Park Avenue in Union Beach, New Jersey. If you're interested in seeing this or any other home in Monmouth County, New Jersey in real time, please reach out to me, Dr. Carly York with Resources Real Estate at 732-212-0440.